Hey guys, Rad Performance here, and we are using an impact driver on a 84 Z28 disc brake.
So basically this Torx bolt here is stuck. We don't want to round it out, so we're heating it up from behind. We exposed the threads, shot some Croil on it from behind because it's got exposed threads. And then we're going to use the impact and see if we can get it out. Just trying to get it pretty hot before I go hit it.
Whenever you're using this, you have to make sure, yep, turn to the left, you got it.
Yep.
If you turn to the right, it'll drive it in. That's not what we want to do.
I don't think that did it.
Yeah, no, you have to do long, hard. Turn to the left. No, like longer and like boom, boom. And then, yeah, make sure you keep twisting
Definitely
off to the
moved a
left.
little bit.
Yeah.
So
Twist to the left. Efficient powerful hits.
let's keep working on it. Spray some more lube down in there and heat it up again. Think about all the years of moisture that built up inside this thing.
40 years in the snow.
Snow, the rain, the puddles, the salt water.
Chemistry's final boss. Yeah, it's good.
See if we could get it to suck some of that into the hole. Do it again from the backside a bit.
So whenever it impacted and moved about 1/8, then I knew it would just take, I put a actual long bar on it.
Yeah.
And then you could feel that it wasn't yet ready. So then I'm like, we have to impact it out again some more.
Let me reset.
Yeah, I see that groove is almost full 360, I believe.
Reset. Oh.
Yeah.
And that's all she wrote.
GG.
So now it's coming out. You see that, guys? Work smarter, not harder. Take your time, and things do eventually come off. Even the worst of bolts.
And this definitely saw snow, salt, you name it, all the bad of it.
That's it for the short tip today, guys.
Alrighty. Until next time.
We all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe we can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna